Video creation got so much easier in the last couple of years. In this video, we'll be creating this. Hi, my name is Mohit from Tenika Creations and well, I'm back. It's been a long time since the last video on this channel, and for the most part I've created videos in Fusion, and this time unfortunately this video is not in Fusion. So let me come back to the first line, that video creation got easier, and that is because of the rise of some of these web-based platforms. Here's the thing, most of these web-based platforms are paid, either a subscription model or a single payment, and I've always created video in the free version of Fusion. So I thought coming back I should also explore some of the free options in the web-based video creation software segment as well. But the main question is, are these web-based platforms good enough? Absolutely, they are very much capable, but are they comparable to something like an After Effects or a Fusion? No, absolutely not, and it's probably not going to get there anytime soon. But does it do the job it's supposed to do? Absolutely. So if you're a solopreneur or a small business owner who wants to do some video, an effective video for social media, these softwares are more than enough for that, right? So in this video, I'll be covering Canva, which is a pretty well-known software. For the most part, people used it for graphic works, but since the last 1 year, they've added a video feature to it, and to be frank, it's quite capable enough to make some good looking video. So let's get into Canva and try and create something good. Okay, so we are inside Canva right now. So once you sign up, you can see a button here. Click on that, create a design. So I'm going to go to custom size and I will type in 1080 and height will be 1080 pixels. So we have a square resolution for the video. Okay. So now we are inside the Canva editor. Let's name this project, call it demo. So what I'm going to do is I will go to elements and look for shapes over here. Click on the square one. So what I'll do here is I'm gonna drag it to the side and just place it something like this, and then change this color to this yellow, bright yellow. Okay, then I will Control D to duplicate it. Okay, and then drag it over here, something like I'll just reduce the height, okay, and keep it there, something like that. This would be nice. Okay, I'll duplicate this one more time, Control D, and reduce the width like so, and I will place it around here. Okay, Control D to duplicate that, and I'll place it here like that. One more time I'll do it, I'll place it there, right? So I'll just adjust these things, it doesn't matter by the way. And then what I'm going to do is within these elements over here on the left hand side, I'll look for frames. Okay, so I'm looking for a square frame, so let me click on see all, and let me see, where do we have a square one? This is a circle. Yeah, we have this one here. We'll just click on that. Okay, no, not this one. I'll look at something else. Okay, this one would work. So let's click on that, and we have it brought in like so. I'm gonna click and drag it something like so. Okay, that should be good. And what I'm going to do one more time, I'm going to select this and Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to change the color of that to black, and then I'll just place it around there and increase the width like so, reduce the height like so. I'll come down and pull this up like this. Now I want to send this behind this frame, so I'll select this one, go to position here and then click on backward. That's fine, so I will just select this one and this one, shift select, hold shift and select the other one, and then go to position and go to center, right, so that it is in center. Let's bring in something. So we need to add our logo somewhere, so I'm going to go to the uploads and search for the logo. I'll click here, bring the logo up, and make sure that you are out of the frame, because if you bring any image into this frame and you go inside somewhere, it will go inside that, right? So you don't want that, just have to pull it out of there, right? Okay, wait. So once you do that, that's a bit of a problem, so don't do it. So what you have to do now is click on it and delete it so that you get it out of the frame. Okay, I'll just click on the logo, take it out of the frame. Okay, first thing is that. Then I will scale it and adjust it, and yeah, that would look good. I think that's a good position for it to be. So today is the International Day of Person with Disability. So this video will create in that topic. Okay, let's upload few videos to our video section. So what I'm going to do is I'll go here, I will select this, and drag and drop it into the video upload section of Canva. So it will take a bit of time for it to upload. So in the meantime, we'll also work on the text, right? So what I'm going to do is go to text and then I'll click on heading. Okay, so I'll just drag it over here, and let's call it "It's a Day." Okay, let's make sure that there is two division to it so that you get some interesting animation. I'll show you why I'm saying this. So I'm going to Control D to duplicate it, and I'll just bring it over here and put it here and type in "of optimism." Okay, so that's that. Let's go and change the font. I'm going to use something Playfair Display. Yeah, let's use that one. Okay, and same here, let's use Playfair Display. Correct. Okay, let's keep it there and move it over there, right? Reduce the size to 65 and do the same thing for this as well. Also, I'm going to make it bold. This one too will be bold. Okay, I'll just make sure that it feels like it's a single line of text and not two different pieces. Okay, and I don't want to keep it as it is, so I'll do one thing. I'll go to the elements again, close this frames and go to the shape. Let's bring in a new solid black, white, or whatever. Let's bring it here. Okay, to make it interesting again as two separate ones, let's separate it. Let's make this one white in color. Okay, and duplicate that. Control D, duplicate it. Okay, Control C. I'll select that and move it over there and make that sure that that color is black. Let's go to position, go backward, select the text. This is how it is. Yes, this is the text. Let's make that text white in color. Okay, then let's adjust it accordingly. Okay, select this white one, move it around there. Let's make sure that this goes all the way till here. let's move this slightly this side and this slightly this side. You can use the arrow keys to do that as well. That's, I think, a little bit more like that. Okay, so that should look good. Now our videos are uploaded, so let's drag this one in here. Click on that and just select it and slightly move it inside the frame so it goes inside there. And if you want to position it right, we can double click on it and move it like so. I think this is good for us, and I'll just click outside, and I want to make sure that this video is 5 seconds long, so I'll click here and reduce it till it shows it is 5 seconds long, right? And then click on done. We could also move it a little bit forward like so. So this is what we'll see in the video. Okay, done. Now we want this video to be something like 25 seconds long. So what I'm going to do is I will add a new page. Click on this button here to add a new page. I'm going to select all of this, Ctrl C to copy, click here on the new page and Ctrl V to paste. So we have this one here. First thing we'll do is replace this video. Let's take that off and let's bring this one in. Okay, we'll change this a little bit so that it's different from this design. What we'll do is we will take the text up. Let's take this one up there. This is fine, and let's take this one up as well and keep it somewhere around there, and let's bring these down. Okay, maybe we need to change the color of this one to black and change the color of the text to white. Do the same here. Let's make it a little bit different. Make this white and make the text color black. So let's type in the text. The new text for this one will be people with disability. Let's adjust it. We will have to adjust the size, so let's make it 50. I think that will work. So let's make sure that it is perfect. Let's bring that here. Okay, and let's see what adjustment we can make to make this more interesting. This text will be needs equal chances. Select that and make it 50. Okay, and let's see if we can place it there within that. Okay, so let's make some changes here. Take this all the way till here like so. Let's duplicate this, Ctrl D, and then bring it over like so. Yeah, maybe something like that. Yes, so let's select this and adjust it like so. Reduce this, just make sure that this goes to the backward. So this one should be on top, correct. Okay, so we'll move this like so, adjust this one like this, and make sure that these two matches. So yeah, that's correct. Let's keep it there, and yep, let's move this one. So okay, so let's pull this one and okay, not that, this one a little bit down like so, pull this one like so, and this goes up. So you can see that it's a slight bit different. Let's move it a little bit this side and move it like so to match this side. Otherwise it would look a little bit weird. Okay, and now select this one and let's make that one also 5 seconds long. Okay, so you can see we have done so much. Now let's copy this one. Ctrl C to copy and create a new page. Click here and Ctrl V to paste it here, right? We'll maintain the style for the third slide. So let's replace this one. So add the text here. Let's see what is the text. Okay, let's just say, let's make it 50 first of all. This too will be 50. Okay, let's say, and a platform, and select this one to Excel, right? We have it like so, and let's put it over there. Take this and bring it over like so. Let's move this one here, get our text here as close as possible, something like that, and then click this and adjust it so. Okay, a little weird. Let's just move it a little bit forward. Okay, so let's replace this video and a platform to Excel. So we'll delete this one, we'll use this clip. Now these clips are from videoblocks.com, and you could use anything from Pexels or Pixabay if you don't have access to something like Videoblocks, or you can get something from Canva itself. You can look at videos over here, you can find something that is suitable for you, right? So we'll be using this. Let's reduce the length of this video as well. Let's make it 5 seconds first of all. Okay. Yep, and in this case I think we need to reposition this video. So let's click on that and move it like so, so that this character is visible, right? So let's just play and see. Yeah, that looks good. So let's keep it there. And for the fourth slide, let's copy the second slide. Have I got everything? Yes. Let's copy that, Ctrl C to copy, add a new page, and here let's Ctrl V to paste this. Alright, so here let's change the text to, because like I said earlier, it is International Day of Person with Disability, so let's add that there. International Day of Person with Disability. Person with disability. Right, so that works there. So let's delete this video from there and let's use this one. This is a very motivational video. So let's click on that, make sure that's also 5 seconds long. Yep, and click done. Right, now let's add a new page, and in here what we'll do is we'll have our logo and our URL. So let's go to images and bring in our logo. So to scale this logo in all directions, I'll click on Alt, click on one of the corners here, and just scale it up. Right, so let's keep it there like so. I'll just move it a little bit up, bring in a new text. Let's bring in this one. Okay, click outside and I'll just make sure. So when I'm moving it around, we have all these guides. So if you want to center it here, we can do that like this, because we're getting the center of this thing. So let's go to, say, whatever, www.logo.com or whatever, you know. So I'll just make sure that this one is monster art or whatever looks good, right? And let's reduce it to like 40. something like that. But the problem is it's still not a video. So if you just play it as it is, this is how it looks. It's just there is a design and nothing much is happening, right? That's not interesting. Let's close that. What we can do is, now that Canva has some video features, what you can do is when you are on this slide, for example, you can see there is animate button here. Click on that. So for this, I think I will just go for pan. I'll do this. So this is how it looks. Okay. Let me come here and select this or here. Okay. And then for this, I will use rise. So it will come up like that. Let's select this one. And I think I will go with, let's see, pan. I think that'll be good here. Pan or rise. Rise will be good here, I think. Yes. Okay. And let's do a pan here. And here let's make a rise. Okay, so now if you play it, you can see the video, there is some kind of animation which makes it really interesting, right? And that is how you create a video in Canva. It's about getting a good design. If you can create a pretty good design, you can certainly come up with some really good quality videos in here. Now, if you want to add some music to it, there is a section for music here. You can click on that music section and add a music from there. So click on that, and since our video is 25 seconds long, the problem here is that there is no option to really fade out the video. So I generally prefer to take that to the end of the video. So that's it for this video. So this is how you create a really good video in Canva, and Canva is free to use, and that's the best part. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and ask any questions that you would like to ask in the comment section. And do you think that these web-based platforms are making the video creation process easy going forward? Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.